Welcome, it's Nikki Casserly again, Wilmette Institute's Registrar and Head of the Office of Student Services. So far, we have learned how to log in and log out of Moodle, our online learning center. We've also learned how to create or update our profile, and now we're going to go straight into a course and show you how to navigate the classroom page of your course and how to post in the forums. So I'm going to share my screen, and I have chosen to share the Baha'i Faith and the Arts. This is the classroom page, which you will go to if you remember through your My Courses link. Your first job will be to look through the top part of this course. Your faculty will be listed here with their email addresses. There will be an introduction and some learning objectives. There may be other introductory material here at the top of the classroom page, such as your Zoom video conferencing information and information about earning a course completion certificate. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so that we can see it more clearly. Okay, so the unit 1 is welcome and orientation, as I mentioned. And this is where you will click to start the orientation. It's called First Look, a course on Wilmette Institute's approach to learning. There will also be the course lounge right here, and there may be a personal learning plan forum as well. And as you scroll down, you will see in chronological order the weekly units of your course with the dates, the title, which gives you an idea of the theme for that unit. There will be at least one activity page and at least one forum. So we will look at how to post in the forums. But before we do that, I wanted to show you, you've already seen the right-hand column. And if you scroll down again, we see the Zoom video conferencing block here. There is a quick link also in activities to the forum. So all the forums on one page and all the resources on one page. There is your completion progress. You will learn more about that from your instructors. Course completion status. There may be a resources block, link to search the forums, recent activity, and so on. Okay, on the left, we didn't see this on the home page. There is another collapsible column. You can close it with the X. This is called the course index. And you see, it looks like an index here. It's like a little bullet list. And if you click here, that opens the left-hand column, which is called the course index. And we also call it sometimes the left-hand navigation column, because using it, you can navigate along the classroom page, which is rather long because it contains all of the weeks of the course. So here, this course has just started. So we're in the first week. You will see current week for the week that is current. And then, so when we get to April 30, this will become the current week, and you will see the blue marker here for the current week's tab. So you can easily navigate to the current week if you want to go right to the end. This is the last week here, June 4 to June 17 in this case, and where we have our satisfaction survey, our course evaluation survey, and all those things at the end of the course. So let us navigate using this course index, and we will go to the course lounge because we want to post an introduction. In the first week, in addition to doing your self-study orientation, you're going to post an introduction. So this is what our forums look like now. We have a post at the top. It says, welcome to this forum. It's dedicated to making introductions and nurturing connections among fellow learners. Here you have the freedom to engage in open conversations about course-related subjects or any other topics of interest. It says to add your initial post, reply to this forum. So you click here to reply, and what happens? A box pops up for you to put your reply. Now, this box is a very simple box. It's a text box. It does not have any icons to help you to put, for instance, bold text, italic text, to create links and so on, to put pictures in. You can't do that in this text box. So if you want to do something more creative, to add pictures, which we hope you will do as you make your introductions, you need to click on Advanced. On the right, under the text box, is advanced. If you just wanted to type a text reply, that's fine as well. You can then post it to the forum after you write your text. So remember to post to the forum or it will not be saved. Okay, so we're going to click advanced and show you how that works. If you wish, you can, of course, change the subject. There is a red exclamation mark here. What that means is that it must have a subject. It doesn't mean you cannot change a subject. It just means that you cannot not have a subject. So if you wish, you could call this intro to yourself, your name. All right, or you may like to say something like, welcome from your location. Okay, and then you can type your message in the box. Here are the icons you would normally find in a word processing app. Bold, italic, for instance. This chain link icon is for creating a link to a website if you wish to share a website or a link. And then there's also opportunities to put in images, also to record audio and or video. So 2-minute audio or video content can be done right here in the forum. Let us show you how to add an image. So you click the little image icon and you can drag and drop an image to upload it or click here to select it. All right. So you again go to your computer, just like when you're putting in your profile picture, and you go to where your pictures are and you choose a picture. Let us say this is a picture I want to add. This is a picture of a star, which I created. Now you must describe the image to someone who can't see it. This is because Moodle tries to make itself accessible to its participants, whether they are using a screen reader. Some of our participants may be blind, visually impaired, so we can put an image description here. So let's describe this image: a bright yellow star with, I'm not sure how many points in this, let's say 24 points. And green and black trimmings. So I've described this so that someone who cannot see the image can know what the image is about. All right, so we're going to click save and there the image appears. If it's too big or too small, you can adjust the size. So you click on the image, you see it's highlighted here. You go back to the image icon. Original size is the default. You can make it custom size. You want to keep the proportion. You don't want it to be out of proportion. So let's say you want to make it about half as big. So you can change the 500 here to 250. That will make it half as big. And the height will automatically also change in proportion. When you save it, you see that it is now a different size. And you can type above or below this image. You can type whatever you like. Okay. So then you are going to post to forum. The blue post to forum link is at the bottom. Always remember to post it or it will not be saved. You can also add files here, whether it be image files or something else. It's just like adding a profile picture that we saw in our second video. So you click the plus sign and there you're going to choose your file, find your file, add it. Here's another image that we can add to upload. And now this will appear here. And those who see the post can download your image and can see your image. You can then post it to the forum. I'm going to cancel. Once you post to the forum, you have 30 minutes in which to edit your post. So we can edit our post by clicking on a link that says edit. There's no edit link here because 30 minutes has gone since this was posted. When you post in the forum, you will see in your post a link to edit it if it is less than 30 minutes has passed. So that is how to post in forums. There are some forums which may be looking a little bit different where you have add a discussion topic, a button to add a discussion topic, but most of our forums now do have this kind of display and you can change it. You can display replies in nested form as we see here. We can display replies flat with the oldest one first. We can also display replies flat with the newest one first. And we can display replies in threaded form. In threaded form, you'll see the original post is at the top, and then there are the different responses. You see the title of the post, the name of the person who posted, and the date and time when they posted it. That is how to post in the forums. Thank you.